truly, truly I say to you, you will weep and lament, but the world will rejoice. You will be sorrowful, but your sorrow will turn into joy.
The story of Exodus is the story of all of us. Caught in captivity, sin is our slavery. Longing to be free, then God gives a victory. Love in action got my soul reacting, 'cause your love flowed down and it touched the ground. Hanging on that tree, you bled and died for me, and God gave you victory. Let's take and eat the bread. Jesus' body broken dead, Lamb of God, our sacrifice, Son of Man who gave his life, one who gave his all for me, and you gave me victory. Love in action got my soul reacting, 'cause your love flowed down and it touched the ground. Hanging on that tree, you bled and died for me. You gave me your victory. Now we take the cup. Oh yes, take and drink it up. Jesus' blood spilled for us, God's new covenant. Past the Lamb who covered me, you died to set me free. Love in action got my soul reacting, 'cause your love flowed down and it touched the ground. Hanging on that tree, you bled and died